Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this
I
situation.
almost forgot that we have a full moon. Let us sow something on the ground. We're gonna sow some spinach. First thing first, let us try to make bearings. This is the mini garden that I'm going to use. I always say the greatest invention was a hoe. So let's grab the hoe and start making those beds. Unfortunately, I don't have a tripod. I'll just show you pieces of videos. Later on, I'll come and explain. I'm also stressed. That's why I'm using a tape measure to have straight and equal bed. The first bed is 150 centimeters. Then the second bed is 110 centimeters. They are both 9 meters. You wonder why the rope is in between? Is because we're gonna divide the garden into two parts. It seems like the tape measure didn't work very well because the first bed was 150 and the second one was 110, but in the video it shows that the 110 is bigger than the 150. I don't know what happened, but shit happened. Remember that we got Swiss chard, both they are Swiss chard spinach, but different cultivars. The first one is Fork Hook Giant and then the second one is Silverado. The Silverado will go on the first bed and then Fork Hook Giant will go on the second bed. The depth of the holes are just simply, I think, 2 centimeters deep. They are not that deep. Yes, I hope you can see the seeds on the lines there. You can see those whitish things. Those are the seeds. Sakata is untreated and then McDonald's seeds are treated, but surely the results will be the same. We will keep on monitoring everything. This is the part where I got hungry while I was covering the seeds down. Put water. Water is very important. What do we do on full moon? We sow some seeds. And the next full moon will be in August. So let us sow seeds now.